Hey YouTube, I'm going to do a quick update video of the 64 Buick Skylark. It's pretty well cleaned up. Got to finish polishing a little bit of the chrome and things like that. Give people a quick view, walk around. The rim's been cleaning up pretty good. It's got a Buick 455 out of a 72 Electra intake card. Got some electrical stuff dealing with. Locate a back seat. May end up selling the car to fund another project. Still in the toss-up. Fuel cells in the works. Gonna get some more fittings and different line. Do things a little better and a little different. Gotta finish vacuum and clean out. I marked where I may be sinking the tank in and flush mount it, so to say. It's been a great project. Good car. Yeah, could use more work, but I've seen some way worse out there. Do a quick startup. Yeah. Love or hate the hinges, they work for now. Until I can find the right hinges. It's been a chore. Here, I'll go ahead and start it up. Point the camera over here somehow. I think it's looking at it. Got some